Hello everyone, this is your favorite Florida realtor, Beth Weingart. I'm here at 5331 10th Street North in beautiful St. Petersburg, Florida. We have a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Let's go check it out. This home has been kept in meticulous condition. We have plantation shutters, ceiling fans, crown molding, gorgeous kitchen, very functional. Lots of natural light. There's no carpet in this house. Great space to host parties and gatherings. So this is a huge pantry. And we have the master suite with laundry room, new hot water heater, and gorgeous ensuite. Hello. Check out the size of this closet. It's huge. Lots of room for all your clothes and linens. You have a step-in shower with seat. Very nice. From the master suite, we have beautiful pool views and a desk area. So before we head out, let's go check out the other 2 bedrooms. And we have double closets in this room as well. Have your main bathroom with a bathtub, linen closet, AC closet, and then here's the 3rd bedroom. Very beautiful. The closets on this side are cedar closets. There you go. Ceiling fans. All right, let's go check out the backyard. So we have a large backyard. Plenty of space for your water toys. Sparkling pool. Gorgeous pavered deck. We have a grill. And the side of the yard. Lots of space out here. So if you or anyone you know is looking for a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath house in Northeast St. Pete, give me a call, 786-253-0036. Have a great one, y'all. Bye.